there. All of the colours in the rainbow. Maisie and Cyril are playing. That's a ball. That's a ball, and you ripped this thing off. A square. It's a toolkit. A triangle. Maisie's magic hat. Triangle. It's a pencil case. An oval. Is it Humpty? Is it Humpty? It's Humpty Dumpty. And the diamond. What's the diamond? It's a kite. It's a kite. There it is. Let's go. What?
He's enjoyed this book for longer when you're reading it than when I read it to him.
Everyone is at the park. Lift the flaps and find the empty bucket. Full bucket. Empty bucket. Dry cat. What's under here? Good. Hey, it's a cat. What cat? Meow. Closed door. Open door. Low. Swing low. Swing high. Maisie up. Maisie down. Bye bye, Maisie.